Hi, guys. I'm Alex. I'm the co-founder of 3DK Tech, and we're decentralizing manufacturing. Let me tell you why. So, metal 3D printing, it can do a lot of good in the world and in the manufacturing sector, but there's a massive issue right now, and that is the durability or fatigue life of 3D printed parts. It's nowhere near that of conventional manufacturing. And this is exactly where we come in. Because if the parts are not durable, they're not going to replace conventional manufacturing. Now, this is where we come in, and our technology increases the durability and the fatigue life of printed parts by a factor of 200, bringing them up to comparable to conventional manufacturing. And because we can make it as good, we can make the parts as good as conventionally manufactured, then we have some other benefits. That means we can reduce manufacturing times by up to 10 times. We can reduce manufacturing costs by up to 10 times when compared with conventional manufacturing. We've patented this technology, and we developed it in Hong Kong, where we were based out of. And to give you an idea of just how massive the improvement can be, if you manufacture, say, a compressor blade, something in the aviation space, it would take, with other metal 3D printing technologies, 1,200 hours and up to $56,000 to manufacture a compressor blade. With our technology, it would take 300 hours and about $6,000. That's simply because there's no need for more heat treatment, and the physical quality and the durability are much higher. The reason why metal 3D printing is so important for climate tech is because, well, when it comes to material and energy, we can reduce the use of material and energy by a factor of 20 times. But also, we reduce the amount of greenhouse gases emitted into the atmosphere by another factor of 20. And I don't know if you know this, but greenhouse gases greenhouse gases from the manufacturing sector account for about 10 gigatons of CO2 every year. Now, the way that our business model is basically Uber for manufacturing. Even right now, we have about 15 companies globally that want to use our metal 3D printing technology. And what we'll be doing is we'll be selling licensing our 3D printers to family SMEs and other tier 3 automotive manufacturers, suppliers that are seeing a decrease in their basically in the contracts that they're making because of the transition to EVs. This is a large swath of manufacturers that can now be used for other industries such as aerospace, automotive, energy production. These are all basically the uses of our decentralization. These are all like the different nodes that we can decentralize to. They'll be paying us $17,000 per month, and the global companies that need to integrate metal 3D printing into their workflow, about 10 to 20% fee per contract. And we're providing our expertise in design for additive manufacturing, as well as the printing capabilities of our SMEs that have our printers. The market itself is massive. So we've been working with a few companies, one of which is HAECO, which is an aircraft maintenance and repair operations. The market, 10-year consolidated market value size is $130 billion by 2030. And with our technology, we can speed up their lead time and provide better quality in different sectors. To give you an idea, what you see in the corner right now is a compressor blade assembly. That's just one assembly. There's 20 of these assemblies per plane. Now, for each assembly, we can save the aviation industry $48,000 US. And according to Airbus, there's going to be 40,000 aircraft built by 2041. That means a savings of $38 billion US from now to 2041, just for this one assembly. Yeah, basically, we have the experience to do it. I have 10 years experience in metal 3D printing. My co-founder, 15 years experience in aerospace. We have advisors from the aerospace growth of EU in the EU and the US. We're raising 400,000 angel by the end of the year and a seed next year. And we've won gold medal from the World Intellectual Property Organization, top 15 at the Free Electron, and top 40 at the Entrepreneurship World Cup. Thanks.